In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your account on the Temu app. Now, verifying your account is a vital step to ensure the security and functionality of your experience within the app. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open the Temu app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you visit the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device, and install the app. Once that's taken care of, locate the app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. After the app launches, you'll typically arrive on either the home screen or the login screen. If you aren't already logged in, enter your account credentials and get yourself to the main home screen interface of the app. Once you're in the app, the next step is to navigate to the account verification section. You can find this by looking around for either a profile icon or an option labeled settings. These are usually tucked away in the top right hand or left hand corner of the screen. Give it a tap and you'll open up a list of account management options. Among these options, you'll find the section on account verification. This might be labeled as verify your account verification, or something similar. Go ahead and select that. In this section, you'll be prompted to provide some necessary information. This verification step typically requires basic details such as an identification document or your phone number. Providing this information is crucial as it helps verify your identity and links your account securely to you. For the ID, you'll want to ensure the document you use is clear and valid, as Temu will require the details to match the information on your account. After you've input your required information, the app will guide you through any additional prompts needed to complete the verification process. Follow these instructions carefully. It's usually a straightforward process, so take your time to ensure every detail is correctly filled in. Once you've completed these steps, the app might take a moment to process your request. You might see a notification or an icon indicating that verification is underway. This might happen almost instantly, or it could take a few minutes, depending on the app's processing time and your internet connection. And there you have it! Your account should now be verified. This means you've successfully added an extra layer of security to your account, allowing you to enjoy all the features of the Temu app with peace of mind. Remember, account verification not only protects your personal information, but also enhances the overall app experience by opening up more features and possibilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.